we're going to get into the details on the free ticket for Captain Save-A-Foe very soon. Let me get some stuff moved out of here, and we will get started. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I did a quick update video for you guys on Captain Save-A-Foe, and you know, just doing a fresh video. I had put the front clip on a few months ago, but so much time had passed since putting that on. The stuff I was talking about in there was like super dated, super old, so I'm like, you know, let's just start this over fresh and jump back into it. So now yesterday I mentioned there's going to be a free ticket for Captain Save-A-Foe in this video. There is a free ticket. Long story short on that, there was someone who was interested. There was someone who was entered into the raffle, and you know, time went by. You know, this one right here, this is the third one we're doing. This took longer than expected because when I got this, it was completely disassembled. I'm never going to do that again. It was literally in pieces. Had to put everything together. So if you watch the older videos, the body wasn't on the frame. There was no engine, there was no transmission, there was nothing. Matter of fact, ended up having to go out to Michigan to get a frame for this thing. Got this engine in there, all kind of stuff, man. So this was pieced together in my free time, which was super limited due to the new job and the baby. And I apologize for the delay, guys. It took way longer than expected, and you know, shirts and all that kind of stuff was delayed, so I apologize. The shirt design for this, I'm going to post up on the screen. I'm gonna let you guys vote. It's either gonna be something like this. I took some shots recently with the wheels on, but something like this, showing the LS engine, showing the gold wheels, and kind of like squatting in the back a little bit, or it's gonna be when we first got Captain Sablefo and I had the body lifted up on those 3 cherry pickers. So I'll let you guys pick between those two. Whatever gets the most votes, that's what's going to be the shirt design. So it's up to you guys. We'll probably give it like a week or so, and then we'll get the shirt design finalized, get the images and everything all created and put on shirts and mailed out. So yeah, back to this real quick. So there was someone who was entered into this. They felt kind of unsure about it. They felt like it was sketchy. They felt like it was a scam. They felt like it was just, you know, something wasn't right. So I'm like, all right, you know, no problem. They wanted to get out, so I gave them their money back. And now the ticket, we're gonna keep active. It's got their name on the ticket. I'll scratch that out. But whoever ends up with their ticket, we'll put the new name on there. And you know, for the person who jumped ship, you know, I'm sorry you felt that way, but I'm not gonna mention his name or anything like that. But you know, he wanted out from Captain Sablefo, so we'll just call him Captain Losefo because he lost his chance to win this car. So, so if anything, I need all of you guys in the bottom who have a ticket and who don't have a ticket, thank Captain Losefo for giving up their ticket to someone else for free. So, now on to the trivia question. This answer will be what determines who gets picked for this free ticket. The trivia question for today is, in the classic movie Major Payne, there was a young man who had a bad dream. He came downstairs, he told Major Payne about that bad dream and that there was a boogeyman in his closet. So to get the ticket for this thing, you got to answer this question. What did Major Payne do to fix the situation for the little boy who said there was a boogeyman in his closet? And a bonus point to whoever can say what Major Payne said after he did what he did for the little boy's situation with his bad dream. The next video, I think we may do another free ticket. There's only one person who jumped out, but you know, I think I'm going to throw in like 2 more tickets. So on the next video, we'll come up with a new trivia question, and we'll go from there. So, all right, back to this. If you didn't see yesterday's update video, I did it real quick from my cell phone and I posted it to Instagram also. Instagram has been a lot easier for me to do updates on because it doesn't require all the editing and everything that YouTube does, so I just throw the videos right on there. But for those of you that are new to this, this is the 3rd giveaway car. This is a 64 Chevy Impala. Front end is right here. Got the fenders back there, you got the grill there, fan shroud, core support. I had this stuff on the car from the previous videos I did a few months ago, but took it back off so we could do this fresh with more recent content. Now again, this is all new stuff. These wheels, the tires, this is the only time these tires have been on the ground. They went straight from the tire machine to my truck to this car and then back in the storage unit. These are brand new tires, so you can see this is super new, super new. I put the little edge protectors there on the rim because the last transport company that I worked with curbed the crap out of the wheels that were on the previous giveaway car. They were black 100-spoke wheels, but you know, under the black was chrome obviously, so he scraped those pretty good, and it just kind of effed up the front wheels there. But so yeah, anyway, if the winner for the next car is like somewhat local, I guess maybe like within 5-6 hours maybe, I'd like to drop this off myself. But if they are further out, like the previous winner out in California, or if they're Hawaii, we're just gonna have to go with the transport company and have them drop it off. So I'd love to meet you guys in person when doing this, but man, it is crazy with everything that's been going on lately. There've been crazy delays on ordering stuff and just all that. But anyway, the wheels and tires are new. Talked to Alex over at Hoppo's recently, and we're going to duplicate the order we did for the previous Raffle car with the 3-pump all chrome system, and we're going to go ahead and do that again for this car. if you haven't seen the previous videos, got the car from Pennsylvania. The frame came from Detroit. We blasted that and the other storage in it, blasted it, painted it, put the wheels on and tires. We got the full interior here, so this is going to be the next step after we get this front end on. And yeah, we're looking good.